In this lecture, we will program the game logic for level 2 of our game. We will create a function called loadLevel2. It will use the global keyword with the variables Mario, Sky, Sky2, Ground, Pipe, Goomba, Level 2, Level 3, and Level. Then we will call turtle.delay and pass in 0. After that, we will call hideTurtle on the ground, Sky, Sky2, Pipe, and Mario variables. Then we will delete the ground, Sky, Sky2, and Mario variables, since these were used for level 1 and need to be cleaned up. Next, we will set the level equal to 2. Then we will call level2.showTurtle so that we show level 2. After that, we will lift level 2 up and then set the shape of level 2 to our level2.gif image. Let's set Mario to a new turtle. Then we will lift the Mario turtle up. After that, we will call hideTurtle on Mario. We will move Mario to an X position of -430 and a Y position of 230. Next, we will set the shape of Mario to idle.gif. Then we will set the speed of Mario to 2. After that, we will create a variable named UpsideDownPipe and set it to turtle.turtle. Then we will lift the upside-down pipe. Next, we will set UpsideDownPipe's shape to UpsideDownPipe.gif. Then we will move the upside down pipe to an X position of -430 and a Y position of 230. After that, we will call our redraw GUI function. Next, we will call time.sleep and pass in 0.5. Then we will call Mario.showTurtle. After that, we will set the turtle delay to 10. Then we will move Mario to an X position of -400 and a Y position of -170. Next, we will set the turtle delay to 0. Then we will call Goomba.up and then set the shape of the Goomba to the Goomba frame1 GIF image. Next, we will call hideTurtle on our Goomba variable. After that, we will position the Goomba at an X position of 400 and a Y position of -200. Then we will call Goomba.showTurtle. The next step is to work on the pipe for the level. We will create a variable named PipeSide that we set to a new turtle. Then we will set the speed of PipeSide to 40. After that, we will call PipeSide.up. Next, we will set the shape of PipeSide to PipeSide.gif. Then we will call PipeSide.hideTurtle. Then we will move PipeSide to an X position of 400 and a Y position of -200. Finally, we will call PipeSide.showTurtle. Time to set up the image of level 3. We will call level3.up. Then we will call level3.hideTurtle. We will set the shape of level 3 to level3.gif. And then move level 3 to an X position of 950 and a Y position of 0. We will set the speed of our Goomba to 40. Then we will call the moveGoomba function. Finally, we will call turtle.mainLoop. Then we will create a function named moveGoomba. Inside of this function, we will use the global keyword on the Goomba variable. Next, we will set the shape of the Goomba to our Goomba frame1 GIF image. Then we will call time.sleep and pass in 0.25. Then we will set the shape of the Goomba to Goomba frame2.gif. Then we will call time.sleep and pass in 0.25. After that, we will type Goomba.backward and pass in a value of 50. After that, we will call turtle.onTimer and pass in moveGoomba as the first argument and 50 as the second argument. Next, we will create a function named loseLife. Inside of this function, we will use the global keyword for the lives text, and is hit by enemy variables. Then we will decrement the value of the lives variable by 1. After that, we will check if lives is 0. If that is the case, we will set GameOver to turtle.turtle. Then we will set the shape of GameOver to the GameOver.gif image. Next, we will set the style to a tuple with a font of Courier, a size of 20, and a style of bold. Then we will clear the lives text, and then write X and the lives text in a font of style and a line of center. Then we will set Mario's shape to idle.gif. Next, we will move Mario to an X position of -400 and a Y position of -170. Then we will move Goomba to an X position of 400 and a Y position of -200. Finally, we will set the value of the isHitByEnemy variable to false. Now let's run the code. We can play through our Mario game, and you will now notice that we can play through level 2, jump over the Goomba, and enter the warp pipe. In the next lecture, we will program the logic for level 3 of our game.